Randy! Randy?
Stay away from me, you. What's going on, folks? Welcome back. I figured we'd try something today. Me and some guys was talking about this a few days ago, and I thought I want to make a video about it. And what it is I'm just going to hit some chords on the guitar, and I will number the chords, and you write down in the comment if you know what the chord is, okay? And we'll just run through a few of them here. I think it'd be a lot of fun. When I hear a chord on a guitar, I can almost know every time, maybe not what the chord is, but what the position is. Like if it's a G position or a D, you know, that you play up here at the nut. Just about every time when I hear that, I know what it is. You know, it used to be when we learned new music in bands I was in, you know, and I was always one that figured out the chords and the leads and solos and everything, because I could always hear that stuff. I think it was from all the years I spent learning banjo, maybe, because I sat down and learned it. I mean, like note for note, man, the way Scruggs and then Bela Fleck later on. Anyways, here's the first chord. We'll call that number 1 chord. We just want to call it that. Put in the comments if you know what number 1 chord is. And let's just kind of let you forget about that for a second. Okay, now I'm going to play another different chord, and we're going to call this chord number 2. Oops. I started to take off playing something. Lost my head for a minute. This is chord number 2. If you know what it is, put it in the comments. And don't cheat. Don't go get your guitar and sit down and start. Don't do that. Just go by what you hear and see if you can tell what these chords are or not. Okay? That's number 2. Now let's let that clear out of your head just for a second. We'll move on to chord number 3. And here it is. Chord number 3. Here's chord number 4. Chord number 5. Getting it very clean. You know what chord number 5 is? Here is chord number 6. I don't have to hear it play, I can just hear it like that. I know what position that is. It's number 6. Did I say that was number 6? I think so. Chord number 7. Trying to keep it out of the camera. And chord number 8. Well, there's 8 complete notes in a scale, so I'm going to let it go at that. I don't even remember what the chord numbers were now, but some people, I know we was talking the other day, some people has to hear the chord played a little bit, like whatever chord you're playing. This was the first number 1. And this might have been 2. I can't remember what 3 was. Okay, I don't want to get the fretboard in the camera up here. I don't think you can see that. See if you know this chord. We'll call this, we'll go ahead and more than 8 of them. I'll give you a hint what this one is. I can't play it, but you get the idea. And then this chord here, probably if I played it out longer, some of you can tell. Have by the way. Alright, now let's get into some funky chords. We will go farther than 8 chords. Anybody tell me what this one is? We'll let that soak out of your head for a few minutes, so to speak. Here's another one for you. Now when you get into the bar chord position, I don't know if you can see my hand or not. When you get into bar chord position, a lot of times I can hear that, and I know it's a bar chord, but I can't really tell, always tell. Like that's an A right there. If I can hear that, if I just heard that, you know, I wouldn't really be able to tell if it's maybe an A sharp or an A flat or even a B. That amp has got a terrible noise hum on it. My apologies for that. Okay, these others, you can just guess at those, but those ones numbered from 1 to 8, put in the comments if you know what they are, okay? And we'll start over here. Now this is a completely different thing. We're going to start with 1 again on the 2nd chapter. What chord is this? We're going to call that 1 on the 2nd chapter. And what chord is this? We'll call that 2 in the 2nd chapter. Oh, this is going to be a good one. It's chord number 3. Chord number 4. Now, these are the kind of chords I have trouble with hearing and knowing what they are. Some of them I do, some of them I can't, sometimes can't. And chord number 5. I'll give you a hint on that when you can get it all the way up here at the nut. Well, of course, all of you can. What did I say it was? 5? Okay, here is 6. Get it. 7. This is going to be a tough one. And 8. So there's 2 chapters of 8 chords. There's some crapper in between them in the middle. Just kind of look over that if you can. And see if you can tell what those chords are. I don't remember them. You know, I don't have to write them down myself now. Unless I can, well, those I'll probably know what they are whenever I hear them. But put in the comments what they are in both chapters if you'd like. Go through those first 8 and put those out, or comment them. And then this last 8 is going to be harder. I don't think anybody will get all of the last ones without picking up a guitar and seeing where he's at. You know what I mean? So I thought it'd be kind of fun to do that. And there you have it. Going to get back on this Gibson Hummingbird over here. And still no word on the pick guard yet. Still waiting on it. I have to look and see what the actual date was that he sent, that he ordered that. See, I found the place. Well, what you guys told me about? What was it? mvcustomguitars.com or something like that. And I told the owner of this guitar about it. And he went there and they sent me a PDF file, had me to print it out and hold it up to the guitar, and it's perfectly the same size exactly. So he ordered it. I think he paid quite a lot for it too. And it's in Greece. So we figured probably 2 or 3 weeks getting here. And it's probably been about 2 weeks right now. So I'm kind of looking forward for that to come in any day now. And we'll finish up on this Hummingbird guitar. Anyways, until then, thank you guys for watching. Cheers to you. Peace and goodwill and riddance and all that crap. And I'll see you next time. Cheers. I will see you next time.
Randy.